Hi guys, and welcome to the next part in my tutorial. So this part will be a introduction to the date and time commands within Macro Scheduler. So this will be Macro Scheduler Pro Introduction to Date and Time by me, William Madison. So let's get started. So where we left off at was we had created a macro, basically a count of clicks, and a console app where I introduced you to the console app as well. So I'm just going to close that down, save that, close out, and open a new script. And this one I'm just going to call date message, and I'll save it as date and time tutorial. And what I'll do now is I will run a loop command by running labels and go-to commands. So I'll first of all create a start label, so label, and we'll call this label check date, and in here we will look for get date, and it will open a window here to code builder, and we will put in today's date as the variable and hit insert, and we will now label check time, and we will go to get time, and again it gives you the code builder window, and we will put now as the variable. We then want it to create a message, so we will go to our messages and create a message, and we will get a pop-up window code builder. So we want the message to stay on top, so we set that to yes. We want it to have an X and Y position and a height and a width. So we'll just leave all those there and we'll fill those in like trial and error. So the message will say today's date will equal, and then we put in the variable today's date, today date even, and then what we'll do is we'll do a CRLF, which means it takes a new line, and we'll write in the time is, and then we'll put in the variable for now. And then we'll put in another CRLF, and we'll write updating in 5 seconds, or updating every 5 seconds we'll put in. And then we'll hit insert, and what we'll do is we'll use the F8 key and we'll just step through each command, and I get a messenger scheduler message like this. So it just says today's date equals today date. The time is now updating every 5 seconds. So it's not doing any of that stuff yet, but we will make it do that stuff. So we can just first of all get that point in the, so I would say 2216. So up here is where it tells me what position I'm at on the screen. So when my mouse is sort of sitting there, I'm at 2213153. So if I go to 2213153 and take both of those out, I should get a message right here. Perfect. So I'll just step down through the whole thing. So F8, got today's date. As you can see in the watch list, today's date is the 1st of the 2nd, 2020. The now time is 2:05 AM. So now we have the macro scheduler message that says today's date, the time, updating every 5 seconds. So what we want to do now is we want to wait those 5 seconds, and then we want to go to check date. And if we run that, it should update every 5 seconds. As you can see, that's what it's doing. So that was an introduction to the date and time bit of code builders here. So as you can see, there's all sorts of different ones, so you can add a date. So we'll stop this running. So you can add a date. If you wanted to add dates together, you can add 2 dates together. You can find the difference between 2 dates. So you can give it one date, another date, find the difference in days, months, weeks, or years, and then it gives you a variable. I do use that sometimes for calculating how long a license has been running, or whatever it is. My exe has been running for so many days. You have returns a part of a date, so that'll return like the day part, or the month part, or the year part. Given year, month, day, so you can sort of see there the wee pop-up tells you what each bit does, as well as give you a handy wee menu once you click it for creating your own variables and entering the code for you, basically. We can create timers. You can return the difference between 2 times and calculate how long something's been running for. You can do quite a lot with date and time commands. We'll get into more advanced date and time commands later in the tutorial series, but for now this is just an introduction. And as you can see, we've just created a little message that tells you the date and time every 5 seconds. Thanks for watching the tutorial, guys. And as usual, as always, guys, thanks for watching. Please take a moment of your time and like and comment if you find any of these tutorials helpful at all, and subscribe to the channel to get notified about our videos. Thanks for your support.